Hi, it's Angeline here. Today I'm going to show you a fun technique on how to create some dimension on your card. It's so simple, you won't believe it. So I'm grabbing this Morse background stamp by Unity and I've already colored it with Copic markers. It is so yummy, oh my goodness. And also this sweet word die from Cat Scrappiness, which I am going to die cut right in the middle of my card here and just run it through my Big Shot and ta-da! Here it is. All done. Don't throw away any of the pieces, just put it aside for now. Just carefully remove it and set it aside. I've also die cut multiple words from some white cardstock here because I want to create the dimensions. So just remove everything carefully, all the pieces, and just grab whatever adhesive that you have. Here I'm using my tacky glue from Simon Says Stem just to glue all the layers together. So it's up to you how dimensional you want your word to be. Here I'm using 6 layers of cardstock and just stacking them right on each other. Once you're happy with all your layers, grab the one that you've just die cut from your card and glue that right at the top of your layers. Remember all the small pieces as well to create a seamless flow to your background. So here is the dimensional word that I've just created with all the multiple layers, and it's time to assemble the card. So I'm just putting some adhesive to my yummy background here. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with this stem. I had so much fun coloring it. I guess it is a stress reliever, and by looking at all this yummy looking chocolate and s'mores, oh my goodness, I need one right now. So now I'm just gonna adhere the dimensional word right on the empty space on my card, and you can see the dimension that you've just created, which is kind of cool looking and unique. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!